are like mosquitoes at a barbecue. Annoying buzz in the air and sometimes leave irritating mark. But instead of letting them ruin the fun, we're gonna use them to fire up the grill. Think of negativity as charcoal briquettes of life. Stack those bad vibes so high, light a match and watch your inner fire roar. Haters doubt you, perfect. Use the doubt to fuel your determination. Prove them wrong so hard they become your unintentional hype team. Remember, their negativity says more about them than you. So next time a negative Nancy tries to rain on your parade, just smile and say,